They say somewhere beyond the hills of Banawa
lies a trail where the wind whispers ancient
Pero, pupot lang.
secrets and the mountain guards. Stories untold.
And today, we begin our journey, not to seek gold or glory,
but to find peace in the rhythm of nature and strengthen every step we take.
This is not just another hike. This is a journey through the heart of Cebu's highlands, from Banawa, passing Starbucks, through Baksan, Pamutan, Mangabar, all the way to the legendary Sixth Tower.
Another week, another hiking adventure. This time, we'll be taking a beautiful hiking route from Banawa all the way to Six Towers. Together with us are Pits and friends who are share the same passion, loving the nature. We started this hiking activity with excitement, curiosity, and ready for the unknown mountain adventure. As we arrive at a Good Shepherd area, the air grew lighter and the city felt like a distant memory. The view was open wide to the trees and the gentle morning light. A quiet reminder that peace begins the moment you step closer to the nature. Every journey becomes lighter when you shared with good friends and your happy dog. As we entered Baksan, the air turned colder and the sound of the city was replaced by the gentle sound of the nature. The trail began to harder. In every step counted a small victory. Each breath a reminder of how alive we are. Shadow ran ahead. Philip explored every corner while we followed the winding path that led us higher into the destination. Reaching Pamutan felt like entering another world. Peaceful, untouched, and magical. Here, time slowed down. The trees whispered stories of travelers and our ancestors. We rested for a while, shared laughs, and felt grateful for the simple joy, being surrounded by nature with who mattered most. From Pamutan toward Mangapar, the scenery turned more breathtaking. The city below sparkling from the distance as embraced by the green mountains surrounded around us. It's reminded to me that life is like a hiking. It's not about how fast you go, but it's about how much you see and how deeply you feel each moment. Finally, after 7 hours of walking, we conquered the Six Towers, the silent sentinels watching over the mountain. Up here, the world below looked small, and all our worries faded with the wind. We did not just reach a destination. We found peace, laughter, and connection with natures, with friends, and with ourselves. In every trail, there's a story waiting to be told. And today, we wrote ours. One step, one laugh, one heartbeat at a time. Because sometimes, the best adventures are not the one who take us far, but the ones that bring us closer to the nature, to our friends, and to our own memories. The most hardest part of our journey was back home because the trail was very slow and slippery. We had to watch every step as we look for our safety. And finally, we conquered the hardest part and completed the trail all the way to the road in Sitio Napo, Barangay, Sapang Dako, Cebu City. We are all happy, especially Philip,
6 tower.
that it was his first time riding a motorcycle going to the jeepney stop at Guadalupe Church. If you had friends or dogs who love outdoors adventures like this, tag or comment them below. And thank you for watching in our hiking adventure, and see you again in our next mountain journey. Goodbye.
Brake lights fade to ember red. All the words I
Refresh ang butong.
Refreshing.
horizon bleeds with darkness. No GPS to find you.